I forgot tomorrow was my turn to bring a treat into the office. I saw what you did, Mum. Give me chicken and I won't tell.